Just doing a short trot today. Out round to the gates, down to the restaurant, back home.